are coming to France, Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight at the Lagoon to celebrate together during our nighttime spectacle. There's even more to explore as you come around to the world of imagination and nature. Inside those glass pyramids, unleash your spark and journey into imagination with Figment and experience your favorite short films like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival. Next is the Lab, where you can celebrate Earth's diversity.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go. Oh, don't worry. Eyes are
Where?
That's why we're trying to find.
Find who?
Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. We better make a big picture Jellyfish! That's jellyfish!
You're good.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Yeah, jellyfish!
Right. Now.
Hurry, do something!
Hey, Snoopy Dogs. Can't catch me. Swim away. She might just have to wait and eat it. Let them scare now.
I'd like to get as many rides in as we can.
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce.
Figment's a 5-minute wait.
Also, mermaids. Fish and friends.
Ratatouille's a 40-minute wait. Jimmy.
Kill a rod or two.
Hey, for the wagon
Kiss offspring. Awesome.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
So much to discover.
I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea. Watch this! All of them are out there for me to in the big blue world. All friends, the big blue world.
Did you know that